யாக்குல்ட்டின் தனித்துவமான ப்ரோபயோட்டிக் எல்சிஎஸ் செரிமானத்தை மேம்படுத்தவும் மற்றும் நோய் எதிர்ப்பு சக்தியை உருவாக்கவும் உதவுகிறது. உங்கள் குடும்பத்துடன் யாக்குல்ட்டை பருகுங்கள்.
Actually, a reason it's trending is because of Ashwin. I have to say this. Ashwin or fans are insane. உண்மையா எக்ஸ்பெக்டே பண்ணல இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ரீச் கிடைக்கும்னா. ஓகே, especially that to so much love I am also getting. I thought I'll be dead because Shivangi and Ashwin have crazy amount of fans that I realized only recently. I heard the track. The instant I started playing the track, I knew this song is a sure shot hit because that one we took it in one shot. And pannadhu couple because we were running out of time. Master, one more. No, take okay, come on, let's move. And I was like, oh god, Ashwin is dancing so well. He didn't even give me one more chance to perform. I was like, god, now I look so bad. ஒரு disclaimer மாதிரி போட்டேன் in the end because I know நிறைய பேர் will type and say உங்களோட பேர் கிடையாது, சிவாங்கி அஸ்வினோட பேர் தான் செம்ம தான் பெஸ்ட், அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய பேர். Shivangi and Ashwin fans, please don't hate me after this post. அடியே அடியே என் குட்டி பட்டாசு, தனியே தனியே வந்து மிட்டி வெல்லாசு, உயிரே உயிரே என்ன மன்னிச்சு பேசு, கண்ணா டிவி சாதடி.
சினிமா லவர்ஸுக்கும் சினிமா நண்பர்களுக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் உங்க ராஜா. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம ஷோல குட்டி பட்டாசு இருக்காங்க. வணக்கம் பிரபா, எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
ஹாய், தேங்க் யூ. சூப்பரா இருக்கீங்க. நீங்க?
சூப்பரா இருக்கும். ரீசன்ட் டைம்ல பயங்கர ட்ரெண்ட் ஆயிட்டு இருக்கீங்க. கங்க்ராச்சுலேஷன்ஸ் ஆன் தி ஹியூஜ் சக்சஸ் ஆஃப் குட்டி பட்டாஸ். எப்படி ஃபீல் பண்றீங்க? How happy you are?
You're super happy because actually a reason it's trending is because of Ashwin. I have to say this. Ashwin or fans are insane in a good way. But romba supportive. They're so good. They're so nice. Like உண்மையா எக்ஸ்பெக்டே பண்ணல இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ரீச் கிடைக்கும்னா. ஓகே, especially that to so much love I am also getting. I thought I'll be dead because Shivangi and Ashwin have crazy amount of fans that I realized only recently. So everybody's like, hey, if the song was done with Shivangi in the those kind of comments. But it was fun. So I take everything very positively. So I think I enjoyed it. But overall, in the song is it's so much fun. Ellarku pudichadu. The entire team has worked really hard. I think it's a good thing for everybody. So ellarku romba sandosham. Especially me, I'm extremely happy.
In the song kulla eppadi varenga neenga?
Jagdish is the one who brought me the offer. Jagdish is Vijay sir's. I think I don't have to give an introduction. So he was the one who gave me. Who told me, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு song இருக்கு, கேட்டுட்டு சொல்லுங்க உங்களுக்கு பண்ண முடியுமா, interest இருக்கா. And he sent me the track, and I heard the track. The instant I started playing the track, I knew this song is a sure shot hit because you have a vibe, no? And the மாதிரி ஒரு vibe கிடைக்கும் when you hear a track. So the first line itself was ringing in my head over and over again. So I was like, எனக்கு பண்ணணும். I've not done music video before. எப்படி இருக்கும் தெரியாது, acceptance இருக்குமா, reach எவ்வளோ இருக்கும் தெரியாது. So and then I asked details. Who's the co-actor? Who is the DOP? AD? The team is fabulous. It's a solid technical crew that works on a film. So these days music video ellame very very experienced professional teams are doing. So I had a confidence that the product is going to be fantastic. So then I was like, okay, why not try panla. And the madri or decision edutadukku appo we had a discussion with the team, and it was a 2-day shoot. Everything was set, went on set, and the moment I entered, Ashwin was already started his shots because steps irukla. I mean, whoever's seen the video knows how much performance Ashwin had to do dance wise, and it was not a joke. You should have seen the way he was practicing his, he was nervous, he was worried, and then I go in very coolly after like 2-3 hours waiting in the vanity. Adukapro na enter panadukapro I was looking at the set and everything. Then I started feeling like, wow, this is actually ஒரு film பண்ணன மாதிரி தான், you know, அவ்வளோ effort, that much, you know, crew on set, technical experienced, well versed people. So it was a great experience, to be honest. It was nothing less of a film shoot.
சாண்டி மாஸ்டர் வந்து யூசுவலாவே ஆர்டிஸ்ட் வந்து கால்லாம் உடையிற அளவுக்கு வந்து ஸ்டெப் போட்டுருவாரு, அந்த அளவுக்கு வேலை வாங்கிடுவாரு. இது உண்மையா? உங்களுக்கு எந்த அளவுக்கு டிஃபிகல்ட்டா இருந்துச்சு?
Actually speaking, first day, like I mentioned, no, நான் போனதுக்கு அப்புறம் செட்க்கு போனது அப்புறம் I was like, மாஸ்டர் எனக்கு ஸ்டெப்ஸ் இருக்குல்ல மாஸ்டர், before that, you know, rehearse. We come one day before shoot, and we're ready, and we're like, என்ன பண்ணணும் நாளைக்கு, என்ன ரிஹர்சல் இருந்தாலும் சொல்லுங்க, நான் வந்து பண்றேனா. And they like, no, சாண்டி மாஸ்டர் said நிறைய இருக்கு ஸ்டெப்ஸ், எல்லாமே ஃபுல் ஜோஷா பண்ணணும், இட்ஸ் ஓகே நாளே பாத்துக்கலாம், ஷூட்க்கு முன்னாடி பண்ண மாதிரி ஸ்டெப்ஸ் தான் இருக்கும் and all that. And I am waiting, and then I realized that he's taken Ashwin's case. So Ashwin is on set practicing. And then I'm going, I was like, Sandy Master's like, ungalku irukku indha madri theriyuma. I was like, okay master, enakku pidikkum, enakku dancing pidikkum, so I'm fine. And Ashwin, poor thing, is struggling. He's like, I didn't get to practice, ippoda practice panano shot ku munadi and all. But then I was like, dude, you're doing really well, macha, chill, you know, when you look on the monitor, it's looking fabulous, so don't worry, just go for it. I actually had very less steps when compared to Ashwin, obviously, but that one take, I remember one dance sequence is, I think, towards the end of the song, I don't know if you remember that one, we took it in one shot, and pannadukku appo, because we were running out of time, so I was like, master, one more, no, take, okay, come on, let's move. And I was like, oh god, Ashwin is dancing so well, he didn't even give me one more chance to perform. I was like, god, now I look so bad. But Ashwin came up to me and said, you know, ungaloda performance, you are like, you did so well. And he gave me a little confidence that okay, it looked good on the monitor. So I was like, okay, let's see when the song releases. But Sandy Master is so much fun. He knows exactly enna veno, endha madri steps suit out, and you know what to do to make the song look good, yellame, and the artist look good. That's the most important. Exactly. So it was difficult, but he will also make sure he pushes you to do your best, so you look good on screen.
நீங்க இத பத்தி ஒரு போஸ்டே நீங்க வந்து போட்டுருக்கீங்க, அதாவது வந்து அஸ்வின் வந்து டான்ஸ் ஆடுறது கஷ்டப்பட்டதா உங்ககிட்ட சொன்னதா வந்து ஒரு போஸ்டே வந்து போட்டுருக்கீங்க.
Yes.
இந்த ஸ்டெப் வந்து, அதாவது அஸ்வின் வந்து போதும் மாஸ்டர், என்ன விட்டுருங்க மாஸ்டர் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அஸ்வின் எந்த ஸ்டெப்புக்கு வந்து போய் விட்டுருங்க அப்படின்னாரு.
One step that I thought, how is he doing it, is the step in which he jumps on the sofas, நிறைய sofa மாதிரி connected up போட்டிருக்கு, and he has to jump on it, and he has to walk, and then he has to jump on the next one, anjadi perfume ni on each knee he has to jump on a cushion, like on that sofa madri illa jump pannu. And I am like, this is impossible, how is he doing it? But he did it so well, and he hurt his knee and the madri nare, like in a little bit. Obviously it's a difficult step, so you will get hurt.
உங்களுக்கு வந்து டான்ஸ் வந்து ஈஸியா இருந்துச்சு? அத இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்க டான்ஸ் ஆடி இருக்கீங்களா? உங்களோட டான்சிங் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ், அதாவது உங்க டான்சிங் ஹிஸ்டரி அப்படினா வந்து நீங்க டான்ஸ் எங்கெல்லாம் ஆடி இருக்கீங்க இதுக்கு முன்னாடி? how easy was it for you?
டான்ஸ் எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் ஆக்சுவலி. நான் சும்மா டைம் கிடைக்கும்போது, இன் கேஸ் when I'm not simply sitting வீட்ல and all, மியூசிக் அப்படியே ப்ளே பண்ணி நான் பண்ணுவேன். எனக்கு தெரியும் டான்சிங் as in நான் I've not taken professional training, but ஸ்கூல் காலேஜ்ல எல்லாமே ஸ்கூல் டீம் காலேஜ் டீம்ல இருந்தது, and we won a lot of awards and all. So அந்த மாதிரி எனக்கு தெரியும் டான்சிங், and somebody has to give me a choreography and I practice பண்ண முடியும். So that's what I told Sandy Master also, sir, I can dance, sir, please give me some more steps and the madri. And then he's like, illa ma nare steps. I think he was sarcastic when he said that, because Ashwin was getting so many steps and I was like, sir, enakku venu steps, konja steps kodunga. And he's like, illa ma kandipa naaliki steps kirukku ungalku da preparation. But it was good. I mean, I think it was not that bad for me.
எத்தனை நாள் வந்து பிராக்டிஸ்ன்ற ஒரு விஷயம் இருந்துச்சா, இல்ல வந்து நீங்க ஆன் செட் தான் பிராக்டிஸா?
On set, everything was on set, because உங்களுக்கு தெரியும்ல, Ashwin I'm talking on behalf of Ashwin now. Ashwin ka Cook with Komali show, I heard from how much I spoke to him. எனக்கு தெரியும் he's super super busy with the show. So time கிடைச்சதில்ல, practice பண்ண முடியல அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய he said. So he said I've started practicing only on set. I should have come for practice before அந்த மாதிரி சொன்னார். இவ்வளோ steps இருந்தா I should have come for practice before and all, he was complaining. But everything was done just before the shots. So hats off again, like I said, everything, all of us. We didn't have time for rehearsal because everything was very quick. So everything set practice panita, rehearse, everything was done on set itself.
இதுக்கு முன்னாடியே வந்து அஸ்வின் வந்து நீங்க மீட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா இல்ல வந்து இங்க தான் this is the first time you are meeting him?
First ever time I'm meeting. I've heard of the show Cook with Komali. I've not watched, but nere paathirke as in memes and videos, and I was like, what is going on? Ivlo fans irukku, that's so good, that's so cool. Okay, so very happy for him. So the first time I met him was on this set. I was super excited to work with him.
Nice. இப்ப அஸ்வின் அண்ட் சிவாங்கி ஃபேன்ஸ் வந்து என்ன ஹேட் பண்ணிராதீங்க அப்படின்னு வந்து ஒரு போஸ்ட் போடுறீங்க.
Yes, I did. ஒரு disclaimer மாதிரி போட்டேன் in the end because I know நிறைய பேர் will type and say நீங்க உங்களோட பேர் கிடையாது, சிவாங்கி அஸ்வினோட பேர் தான் செம்ம தான் பெஸ்ட் அந்த மாதிரி நிறைய பேர். சும்மா ஓகே, சும்மா to create genuinely they love them and I have no issues. So that's why specifically I was like, in my status now I will put, okay, Shivangi and Ashwin fans, please don't hate me after this post. You guys carry on with it. I only acted in the song where but it was good. I enjoy it. I don't take anything personally and I really genuinely like their pair. They're very cute.
இப்போ வந்து சிவாங்கி வந்து இந்த பாட்டோட ஸ்டார்டிங்ல இருந்தே வந்து ரொம்ப எக்ஸைட்டடா இருந்தாங்க. ஓகே, அவங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அந்த ஃபைனல் கட் ஓகே அத பார்த்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் அவங்களோட ரியாக்ஷன் என்ன?
I think post-day potadu, I think was Shivangi about promo and yella what do you say? At every point of the song's journey, she was there to support. You know, the whole team, not just Ashwin. So I think and the madri support from her was good. It was a good reaction. I mean, because she knows that so many people love their pairing and them, and they're very possessive about them. So when she comes and supports it gives a different image. Fans they will be a little more open-minded about accepting the thing. And this is serious. So fan wars is not a joke. The madri fan war na paathude illa. I mean, I've seen, but definitely in front of my eyes I saw for the first time. But she was super happy. She's always very jolly and supportive, and she messaged me. I messaged her, I was like, thank you. She messaged me and said, I love you since Bigil. I've been following your work. And I was really touched and I was very, very happy. And I was like, thank you. We should meet. And the Madri, we've not met, but I really want to meet her.
இவங்க வந்து செல்லமா அவங்கள செல்லமான்னு கூப்பிடுவீங்களாமே, ஏன்?
I don't know. She பாக்கும்போது I feel like she like one sweetie, cutie, chellama, kannama அந்த மாதிரி கூப்பிட தோணுது. She's so cute. She's very sweet. One very like a small, chota packet bada dhamaka. Like she's so adorable. Like or kutti patas da. She's only that correct term for her. One vibe you will get from people, no, and you don't feel that way from everybody. So on the madri oru genuine very honest vibe I get from her. Even though I've not met her, I still feel like I've seen her and on the madri. So I don't do that with everybody, only some people. So I think she's one of them.
Trending number 1 la இருக்கீங்க. இந்த ட்ரெண்டிங் வரதுக்கு டெஃபினெட்லி நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி சிவாங்கி வந்து ஹெல்ப் பண்ணாங்க, போஸ்ட் போட்டாங்க, ப்ரோமோட் பண்ணாங்க. அதே மாதிரி நிறைய செலிபிரிட்டிஸ் வந்து உங்களுக்கு வந்து ப்ரோமோட் பண்ண ஹெல்ப் பண்ணிருப்பாங்கல்ல. somebody you can remember இப்ப யாரெல்லாம்?
I mean, I remember Arjun. So the thing is, Arjun Das shared it. A lot of my friends, my friend from Kannada film industry shared it. My co-actor, multiple people did. So Venki is Lokesh sir's assistant. So AD on Master and all that. So avangaloda side இந்த நிறைய பேர் ஷேர் பண்ணாரு, and a lot of Ashwinoda friends, Kavin, multiple, many people. Specifically, don't want to take names and upset the other people, but these are the people I remember.
இப்போ வந்து உங்க பாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட் இந்த பாட்டை பார்த்துட்டு அவர் வந்து என்ன கமெண்ட் கொடுத்தாரு உங்களுக்கு?
He was very happy. He said, இது கொஞ்சம் protective ஆனவரு in a good ways. நான் சொல்ல மாட்டேன். You have your fans to say that. But you did, but individually, both of you all have done a fabulous job. You look really good. The song is so catchy. Everything positive. He was very, very happy. He said, song is on loop. எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது. I'm so happy for you guys that you're enjoying this. In the madri you're trending, and just that feel of it, being there and being seen by so many people. It's good. He was genuinely very happy for all of us.
எங்களுக்காக ஒரு few lines of that song பாட முடியுமா?
அடியே அடியே என் குட்டி பட்டாசு, தனியே தனியே வந்து மிட்டி வெல்லாசு, உயிரே உயிரே என்ன மன்னிச்சு பேசு, கண்ணா தீவி சாதடி, சரிகமப்பா தானி நான் வீட்டு சொல்லவா, துடிக்கிற ஆசையே வந்து விட்டு. Okay, you know what? Santosh Dayanathi sir is going to kill me if he hears this version.
Nice. செம்ம. எனக்கு பாட தெரியல சூப்பரா பாடிட்டீங்களே. சினிமேட்டிக்கா வேற எக்ஸ்பிரஷன்லாம் கொடுத்து பாடுறீங்க.
Thank you.
உங்களுக்குன்னு ஒரு ஆஸ்பிரேஷன் இருக்கும் இல்லையா? டெஃபினட்டா வந்து நீங்க உங்களோட கெரியர்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் மூவி சூஸ் பண்ணி நீங்க அந்த கெரியர் ஆக்டிங் கெரியர் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிருக்கும் போது உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஆஸ்பிரேஷன் கண்டிப்பா இருந்திருக்கும், இங்க நம்ம போகணும். அந்த பாதையில நீங்க எவ்வளவு தூரம் வந்ததா பாக்குறீங்க?
Nowhere actually, to be honest, because I don't know, நிறைய பேருக்கு என்னோட ஸ்டோரி தெரியாது actually. I was never someone who wanted to be an actor or get into this field. So now ஒரு academically oriented school, college, அங்க எல்லாமே எல்லா ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ் பண்ணுவேன். The only one activity in school that I never did was acting, drama, none of this. So இந்த மாதிரி எப்படி என்னோட ஜர்னினா, I did a reality show in Malayalam because என்னோட ஒரு ரிலேட்டிவ் ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்ணி நீ பண்ணுங்க, இது நல்லா இருக்கும் உங்களுக்கு. It's not a reality show like Big Boss. It's more like an intellectual show. So on the show 20 girls are shortlisted, and the 20 girls have to go through a journey of 8 months to test their beauty and their brains. So it's more like a pageant, but an elaborate pageant. So very influential people were judges, personality was tested and the madri. So I was a part of that show, and I won the second runner up. I was the second runner up on that Malayalam show. Adukapro I started getting ads. And ads pannadukapro I got an offer to do my first Malayalam film, which is called Jacob in the Swargarajam with Vineet sir. I know a lot of people have watched the film. Neriya perka padu romba pudichadu, and even now people talk about the film. So I got lucky, to be very honest. I'll be very honest. Not many people will say this on camera, but I'm openly saying this was not something I saw or wanted for myself. In the madri enku or opportunity kedichadu, and I'm very grateful for that. Adukapro whatever I have done till now is definitely has to be my own effort.
அடுத்து வந்து தமிழ்ல என்னெல்லாம் ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்றீங்க?
So lockdown ku munnadi start panna or project FIR. We finally finished it. It's almost ready for release. Release I think probably in the month of May. That is one Tamil project that I have. Then there are a couple of Malayalam that are going to release, which I'm working on right now. Tamil I've not signed anything yet. I'm listening to films, and I don't want to do anything randomly. I want to choose only the best. So right now Tamil I've not confirmed anything else. இது இருக்கு, மலையாளத்துல 2 படம் இருக்கு. I'm working on it. Tamil actually yes. So I'm working on a film with Kalidas Jairam. It's a bilingual. So automatically, but we're shooting in Malayalam in Kochi. Suddenly I didn't think that it was so it's a bilingual film. They're planning to release in Malayalam and Tamil. It's called Rajni. It's a thriller film, and that's going to be a good one. So I am working on that right now. That's why I'm in Kochi. Adukada I'm working on right now. So that is very exciting. Innoru project irukku in Malayalam, two more projects in Malayalam. Adukapro Tamil I want to do Tamil very soon. Hopefully I'll sign something.
தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் இந்த இன்டர்வியூக்காக. தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்.
Thank you so much for having me. It was such a pleasure to talk to you. And ella audience, I want to say romba romba nandri for all the love ever since my first film. I have had a lot of people message me saying, I don't know how many people watch Jaragandi, but whoever watched have appreciated me. So from day one, Tamil industry la I have only had support and only support. So எனக்கு Tamil Nadu Tamil industry is very very close to my heart. Bigil Kapro is when I saw the real love. இப்போதுமே it's still there and இன்னும் இருக்கும்னு எனக்கு தெரியும். I have people messaging me every day. So thanks to each and every one of you. It means a lot and I need it. So keep supporting and loving me and my work. In the song Kutti Patas, ivlo memorable ana reason is because in the madri a strong on a technical team cast, obviously yes, but technical team matto the reason, okay? Because I specifically want to take names and thank first of all Venki sir, the director of Kutti Patas, for calling me, believing in me, and thinking this girl will be apt for the song. And thank you so much sir. Harish, like I said, the DOP, then Sandy Master, then Jagdish for giving me the opportunity, Sony Music, Manas from Sony Music, Akshita, Jagdish's team. So many people I want to thank. Satya for the costumes, Volt for hair, makeup. Did I miss anybody else? Who else? Ashwin, obviously. First, I thanked Ashwin only. Santosh Dayanidhi sir, this would have not been possible if he didn't make this track. In the madri a beautiful and a super powerful energetic track to make it and to get us on board. It was a pleasure to be a part of a song, such a beautiful creation of yours. So thank you Santosh sir. The singers, I don't know the singers. Santosh Dayanidhi sir is the male. So to the entire cast and crew of Kutti Patas, thank you so much. I had a great time. And let's rock again in something else soon.
யாக்குல்ட்டின் தனித்துவமான ப்ரோபயோட்டிக் எல்சிஎஸ் செரிமானத்தை மேம்படுத்தவும் மற்றும் நோய் எதிர்ப்பு சக்தியை உருவாக்கவும் உதவுகிறது. உங்கள் குடும்பத்துடன் யாக்குல்ட்டை பருகுங்கள்.